Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about different methods that you can use to start making money online. Hey, what's going on, guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and if you're watching this video, then there's a good chance that you're looking to learn how to make money online. So I'm going to go over a few different methods that you can get started with today. But before I get into that, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. And if you guys are new here, I invite you to go down and hit the subscribe button if you're interested in learning other methods when it comes to online entrepreneurship. And while you're at it, might as well hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And if you want my personal recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income online, you can check out the link in the top of the description. Okay, so on to the topic of this video, which is why you guys are here. I'm going to be talking about different methods when it comes to making money online. Okay, so when it comes to making money online, there's basically two different methods that you can go with. There's the active income method, and then there's the passive income method. So the active income method is basically you're trading your time for money. You're providing a service in exchange for money. So basically, how it would work at a regular 9-to-5 job. And passive income is putting in the work up front and making a residual income by selling the same product over and over again. So first, let me talk about the active income methods. So the first method that you can use to start earning an active income is through freelancing. So this is basically providing digital services for people and getting paid for them. So there's two main common websites for freelancing, and those are going to be Fiverr and Upwork. So a few different examples of digital services that you can provide are going to be graphic design, video editing, website development, testing, and the list goes on and on. So the way it works with either of these two websites, Fiverr or Upwork, is that you just simply create your profile, you list the services that you're providing, and whenever somebody contacts you in order for you to provide this service, you provide it and then you get paid. Sounds pretty simple, right? So this is a great way to earn some extra cash, especially if you know how to provide these digital services. And if you don't, you can watch YouTube videos and learn how to do them. And if you have some money to invest into online courses, I would recommend going with Skillshare. This is a website that offers thousands of different online courses on many different topics. So if you're interested and you have some money to invest into learning, I would recommend checking out Skillshare. So the next way that you can earn an active income is by writing articles. So there's a website out there that pays you for writing articles for them. And this website is called TextBroker. So at the time of filming this video, this website is only available in the United States. So the way this website works is that you submit a writing article to the people at TextBroker, and then it takes a couple of business days for them to give you a star rating, because the way that you get paid is based off of your writing skills. They have a star rating between 2 stars and 5 stars. And obviously the more stars that you get rated, the higher that you get paid per word. So if you have a 2-star rating, you're going to get paid 0.7 cents per word, which I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it starts to add up quickly when you're writing 150 to 500 word articles. And if you have a 5-star rating, you get paid 5 cents per word. Now that can really add up very fast. So let's say, for example, you're writing an article that has 5,000 words in it, and you have a 5-star rating, which means you're getting paid 5 cents per word. If you do the numbers, that comes out to $250 for writing an article of 5,000 words. So if you're a fan of writing, then this is a great way to earn money online. Okay, so now that I mentioned a couple of different methods that you can use to make an active income, let me talk about making a passive income, which I know most of you are probably more interested in. Now, like I mentioned before, a passive income is simply putting the work in up front and making a residual income by selling the same product over and over again. So the first method to making a passive income is by selling online courses. So if you have a certain knowledge or particular skill that you know people would be interested in learning and they're willing to pay money to learn it, then you can definitely sell online courses. And a great website where you can do this is called Teachable. So the way this website works is that you go to Teachable, you sign up to become a teacher, and since this is an online course, it's going to be video based. So the way most people do this is they have videos that guide somebody step by step on how to do something. So you upload your videos to Teachable, and then you set the price that you want to charge people to enroll in it. And once they start enrolling, that's when you start making money. Now this is a great way to make a passive income because you can have one course and sell that course over and over and over again. The more people that you get to enroll into this course, the more money you make. So that's one method to make a passive income. The second one is going to be by selling stock photos. So if you like to take photographs, like professional, I'm not talking about selfies, but like if you have a DSLR camera and you like to take nice pictures, you can make money by selling stock photographs. And a great website that you can do this with is called Shutterstock. So the way this works is that you sign up to become a contributor, you upload your pictures or your photographs, and whenever somebody wants to use or buy the rights to use your picture, they would have to pay royalties. And that means you make money every time somebody buys the rights to use your photograph. Now, when it comes to Shutterstock, it's not only limited to selling stock photos, but you can also sell stock footage, you can sell vector art, and even music. So if you're a fan of creating any of this kind of content, this is a great way to earn a passive income because you can sell the same photograph over and over and over again to people if they're willing to buy it. Now, what people tend to buy on Shutterstock is stock photos of people, sports, and nature scenery. So if you like to take pictures of those different categories, then I would definitely recommend going with Shutterstock. Now, I don't know if this next one is considered a passive income, but I just thought I would throw this in there. And another way that you can earn money online is through drop shipping. So what this is you post an item for sale online, and knowing that you can buy that item somewhere else at a cheaper price, and whenever somebody buys the item that you listed, you just simply buy it from the other website and have it shipped to the buyer's address. So say for example, if you post an item for sale like a toaster on eBay for $60, and you know you can buy that same toaster from Walmart for $40, whenever somebody buys the item that you listed on eBay, you just simply go to Walmart, order it, and have it shipped to the buyer's address. So you don't invest any money, and you just made $20 on top right there. So that's something to consider. Now when it comes to drop shipping, this is very, very competitive. So mostly people use Amazon, Walmart, or Home Depot in order to drop ship items. So if you're interested in getting into that, I would recommend checking that out. And finally, the fourth method when it comes to making a passive income online is through affiliate marketing. So this is where you're going to be promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link that you're given. And whenever somebody clicks on your link and makes a purchase, then that's when you make a commission. This is a great way to earn a passive income online because you don't even have to have your own products or service in order to start earning money. All you have to do is just know how to market the product or service that you're promoting. And the best way to do this is by having a sales funnel, which consists of a landing page, a free offer, an autoresponder email sequence, and of course the product or service that you're selling. So when you have all of this in place, you just have to focus on driving traffic to your sales funnel, and it's going to take care of the rest. So many people use affiliate marketing to earn 6 figures a year, and anybody can do it really. It just depends on how focused and determined you are in order to become successful with affiliate marketing. Because there is a trial and error phase that you have to go through in order to learn how to become successful. But many people think that this is a get rich quick scheme. That's not how this business works. You have to be delivering value in the content that you're creating in order to build up an audience. So eventually they start to look at you as an authority figure. And once you have that established, it's easier to market a product or service that you're promoting. And if you guys are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link for a free ebook download in the description below. And what this ebook does is it helps you decide what niche to promote and also the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers on. So I recommend checking that out. It's completely free. And like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income online, you can check out the link in the top of the description. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, or at least got some kind of value out of it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about these methods. So that pretty much wraps it up for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.